Mo from Hot Chat, how you doing? Want to show you our cold water, our Extreme Flow 2 business package for 2020 and then some. This package has really come a long ways. The first part of it's our Extreme Flow 2, available in either high flow or regular flow with either a 35 horsepower or a 37 horsepower fuel injected with the larger pump. So we've got it in a 10 at 4. 10 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI, or the next level up is 12 gallon at 4,000. Now higher elevations, you're not going to quite get that. That's sea level at the end of the pump. A lot of people won't tell you that, but I'm going to tell you that. Fully adjustable, full industrial belt driven, remote control, best of the best. So it features this trailer. You can get it on a single axle trailer if you want. We're using Super Duty trailers. For single axle, if you prefer, we can do that. We can also custom color. This package comes with free signage. Alfonso, we got to tell him thanks for giving us this nice order. It's one of them going out right now out of the 3. It comes with the camera. This camera has really come a long ways. It's got the sawn right in the spring. Comes with 2 different size heads, self-leveling. The wire on this, we've gone through extra measure to get a custom wire for us. It does have the video record and playback capability, so you can put it on a zip drive. Video out, video in. It's got the big battery. It's got remote control. This package also comes with our little mini jet for the small lines. If you're doing an office building where you got to get into the kitchen, and the jump jet on the jetter, the 200 feet's not enough. This is a nice little package to do a kitchen drain or something like that. The smaller drains. So it also comes with that. Comes with the sawn. Let me see where that went to. Hey, there you go. Rycom, great U.S. product. Jump jet. Full nozzle set, the Warthog custom drilled nozzles in either 3/8 or half, and the quarter for the small reel. One feature as you shop, we'll call it our mid-price range. Ask them if they've got hydraulic drive. Hydraulic drive will pick a tank up off the off the freeway. Hydraulics are great. It's powered by the engine on a separate hydraulic drive. Ooh, I left the lights on that. This one's got the custom light package, rear throttle, all rear controls. It's got the wash down, throttles here, soap injection, fill hose, plus the fast fills right here. So you can hook a cam lock right there and you're good to go. Cone holders. This one in particular comes with some private label Total C. Got questions about Total C, give us a call. That's just a phenomenal product. It's the best additive on the market. Am I closing that right? That dropped down. What you got? Got another reel over here. Does this get the 1/8 inch reel too? Yep. Wow. There you go. Feel like I'm doing late night TV, man. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's really, I know how good these cabinets are. They can take it. We're getting those nice and tight. Nice signage on there. Wheels right now are a little iffy of what style we can get. This one came with really nice, cool, or we can do alloys. Hydraulic tank, soap tank. If you'd rather just add soap into your water tank, that's cool. We can do that. And then it'd save this whole deck. You can do whatever, put whatever on this deck, build a cage around it or whatever you need to do. Full-size battery, fill. So this is our Extreme Flow 2 complete business package. It's a great deal. Call us for details. We can get one pretty much right out. We're keeping up. You can choose your color of trailer, red, blue, black, green, orange. Pretty much, blue and red are my favorites, but whatever works for your fleet. Take care, give us a call.